Knit the cap in 4 yarns. Cast on 85 stitches. Join in a circle. The first row, knit the ribbing 1 by 1. Place the stitch marker. The second row, slip 1 knit stitch, work the purl stitch. Further alternate in this way. The third row, work as the first row. Further work another 50 rows, alternating the first and the second rows. It must get 26 cables. Count on the left and on the right for 5 cables. Place the stitch marker on the 6th cable. Between the stitch markers you must get 10 cables. Further from the marker count 9 cables and from the other side. The first row, till the marker work knit stitch and purl stitch as you see. Turn the stitch before marker, slip 2 stitches up down. Then the next purl stitch work as a knit stitch. Pass 2 stitches over the stitch. Further repeat knit and purl stitches till the marker and repeat the decrease on the marker. Repeat in the same way with each marker till the end of the row. The second row, slip the knit stitches, and knit the purl stitches. Work 3 knit stitches at the marker and 1 stitch. Slip 2 stitches and work the 3rd stitch. Further knit as you see, alternating these stitches. The third row, till the marker work knit stitches and purl stitches as you see. Slip 2 stitches up down, work the next knit stitch and pass it over the slipped ones. Further repeat the same with the following stitches at the marker. The fourth row. Slip knit stitch and work the purl stitches till the marker. At the marker work in the same way, alternating slipped knit stitches and work the purl stitches. Further alternate from the first to the fourth rows until it remains 12 stitches. Cut the yarn and transfer all the stitches on the tapestry needles with yarn. Fix the yarn and cut the excess.